Hello everyone, my name is Jutanal Ahmed and today we're going to be sending Solana from one address to another. I'm going to be using the Tangem products, so a Tangem card and the Tangem Ring, which I have a prototype of. Yeah, so there's discount code below if you did want to purchase any of these. The Tangem Ring isn't actually available yet. You can purchase it on pre-order and it should be delivered in November-ish, let's say. I'm going to be sending some Solana from a Tangem card to a Tangem Ring. These are two different seed phrases and it'll be all on the blockchain rather than from an exchange to the blockchain. Let's begin. So as you can see, this is my white card, as you can see on the top, and then this is my Tangem Ring. I'm just gonna show you how. So with Solana, you'd go into the Solana asset, you can manage tokens and add it by typing Solana. Obviously I've already added it, so I'm not going to show you that. But anyways, you'll go into the Solana network, and what you want to do is go onto the card or the hardware device or the exchange that you want to receive the asset in. So we're sending right now, so I want to receive it into my Tangem Ring, right? So I'm going to click on Solana on the Tangem Ring, and then I'm going to do receive. This is going to give me my Solana address. I'll do copy. I've just copied that address, is copied to the clipboard. Excellent. And then I will go to my card, which is my other wallet. From this Solana, obviously I've got £17.53 there, 0.16 Solana. I'm going to do send, and then I'm going to paste in the address that I had. So KDW is the end and 4HI. Best practice is to double check this. So I am going to do that here, just to double check it. So receive 4HI and KDW, yes, is correct. So let's go back and then send. So let's paste that back in. Ensure that the receiving wallet address in the Solana network to avoid losing your funds. It's telling you here that you need to make sure it's on the right network, because you can send Solana on using multiple other networks. But yeah, so anyways, press next. I'm going to do the max value. This is a prototype, but the seed phrase was created, so it shouldn't really be an issue. But let's do this. So the network fee is going to be 2 pence. Excellent. And send. So because I'm sending from my Tangem card, I'm going to scan my card here. That's it. Done. Transaction has been sent. Let's see how long it takes to arrive, right? So back, and then let's refresh it. Let's see if it's already arrived. No, it hasn't. So let's see how long it takes. Hopefully not too long. Once we get, if you can see here, it says receive. There is no send function. That's because there's a zero balance right now. You can't send anything now, can you? So once this has the asset in it, there we go. It's been received. Solana network is congested if your transaction is not okay. It has been processed. £17.37 is what we have there now. So this is in the Tangem Ring now rather than the card. There we go. So yeah, if you haven't watched my video regarding the Tangem Ring, do watch that, because I've actually assigned 2 black cards with this as well. I just want to test something here. So I'm going to be sending this Solana back to the Solana network on my card. So I'm going to click on receive now. This is my card, let's not forget. Receive HZM and AEYF. Let's copy that, just memorize that for a sec. Go back. So go into this, send, and then let's paste. It's already got my wallets there on the bottom, but yeah, I'll just put that there. Next, I'm only going to do, let's say, £5 worth. Okay, I don't need to transfer it all now, do I? You are sending £5 and 2 pence, including network fee of 2p. Let's send that. Now let's test something. This is the Tangem Ring. If you have it on your hand, right, it doesn't let you send it. I don't know what technology that is that disrupts the frequency, I guess, or the wave, the NFC wave that isn't allowing it to send. You need to take off the ring and then put it to where your NFC thing is. There we go. Can you see? Okay, transaction sent. Let's see. That's amazing. Why? While this sends right, let's go back to the other wallet and then I'll explain why it's such an amazing feature. Lol. Do you sometimes feel, where does JBINZALA get all of these clothing from? He's always got these Bitcoin or crypto related clothings. Well, you can find it all on my official store on JBINZALA.xyz. You can also find my crypto asset portfolio and my shares portfolio. In addition, you can find articles to help you out if you have any questions. And if you really need help one-to-ones, well, you can book a one-to-one with me through my website. Don't forget, you get 15% off all products and services if you pay with Bitcoin. Lol. So do check out my website. There's a lot of stuff there and I think it'll be beneficial for you. With all of that said, let's get back to the content. It's amazing because say if I'm walking down the road and somebody wants to try and steal my funds, I don't know how they could, even though it's got an access code and stuff, and they try to, I don't know, copy it, because you can copy a lot of NFC products with like a flipper. I'm not sure if you know what that is, but it's basically a hacking tool. Even if you were to, this for some reason doesn't allow you to use the NFC function. That's probably a neat test for somebody to try and upload. I don't have a flipper, but yeah, to test if a flipper works with this, because at the end of the day, that could potentially be an attack. But let's refresh this. £5 has been received. So what I did there, as you saw, I sent Solana from my card to my ring, and then I done the, so that I received that on my ring, and then I done send again and received it on my card. Hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully that gives you an idea on how to send Solana or any crypto, because you can use that, do that same function with any crypto. The thing is, there are some crypto assets which actually need memos and stuff added in. You can watch my other tutorials and videos and stuff related to that, where there are examples of whatever asset that you're looking for. But yeah, hopefully you did enjoy this video and it was educational for you. If it was, make sure you do subscribe to my channel, especially if you're new here and you want to learn more about crypto. I do videos regarding tech, unboxing, crypto assets, many more things. Do join my Discord group. This is something that's actually new, something that I'm trying to create a community of, and it's got everything there, boosted, this and that. Lol. Do join my Discord group. And yeah, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.